In today's video, I am going to teach you how to calculate bonus in Microsoft Excel. To begin, go to cell C2. This is where you will place the formula that calculates the bonus based on the sales value in column B. In cell C2, type this formula exactly as shown. Equals IF, open parenthesis, B2 greater than or equal to 10000, 500, 0, and then close parenthesis. Once the formula is entered, press Enter on your keyboard. As soon as you do that, Excel will calculate the result for that row. In this example, cell C2 will display 500 because the value in B2 meets the target of 10000 or more. That means the person in that row qualifies for the bonus amount of 500. This formula is useful because it automatically checks whether the target has been reached. If the value is at least 10000, Excel returns 500. If it is lower than 10000, Excel returns 0 instead. It is a simple and effective way to apply a bonus rule in a worksheet. Next, click on cell C2 again so it is selected. Move your mouse to the bottom right corner of the cell. You want to hover very carefully until the cursor changes into a small black plus sign. This is called the fill handle, and it allows you to copy the formula into the cells below without retyping it. Once you see the small black plus sign, you can either double-click it or drag it down to cell C3. Either method will copy the formula from C2 into the next row. Excel will automatically adjust the formula to match the row number, so it checks the value in B3 for the second person. After copying the formula down, cell C3 will display 0 because the value in B3 does not meet the required goal. In other words, that row does not qualify for the 500 bonus. This is one of the most helpful parts of using formulas in Excel because you can apply the same logic across multiple rows quickly and accurately. That is the full process for calculating a basic bonus in Excel using an IF formula and the fill handle. That covers everything you need to know.